41 again, 4 now, $41,000. I'm at 500 now, but 1,750. I'm seven down here, down, seven down, seven down here, down 5, down, seven down here, down 1 thou. I'm at 5, down here. Ho, ho! $1,300 down here, $1,200, 13, $1,300, 13, $1,300, $1,400, $1,400 here, $1,780, $1,890, $1,990, $1,990, $1,819, $1,850. Sold at $1,800 number.
Oh, we've painted them. We get them in. Most of them, they're not running. We get them running, then we paint them and clean them up.
All right,
I used to have them on both sides of my driveway, and then the snow kind of ruined it for me this winter. So, and the weather's kind of ruining them, so I just said we'd sell them all. One guy from Belgium here is buying a lot of them. He's going to put them in containers and ship them back overseas. There's a lot of people here today. Amazing. You had to see this, just kind of like a county fair.
You're down here, down 32 and a half, 31, 31, 31, $3,100 out here, 31 here. So she's running $3,000.